My car is a 2011 Ford Fusion. It's got the 3.5. This is the Sport, but regardless, I got my OBD2 plugged in down there at the bottom. PO302, cylinder 2, misfire. Yeah. This V6, when it has one misfire, man, you feel it in the whole car. Lovely. So my misfire is cylinder 2, which is the middle one, all the way back there. It goes 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, 5, 6.
Great. Now I get to take off the intake.
I do that. I do this one. Pull back. Push down. And this piece just broke. I couldn't get it out. I tried doing my finger and then a screwdriver and then it snapped in half, but it's off now, so what to do?
Maybe one of these days we can build cars out of metal again instead of plastic.
Nice.
Same thing. That one just pulls out. These get damaged. They're disposable. But I have no replacements, so I will just maybe use a zip tie or something.
This one was hard to get off. Just kept pulling and tugging until it ripped out of place. Because I don't care. All it is just a butterfly clip that's bound on with electrical tape around the loom anyways. If you really want to fix it, you take this out, take some electrical tape, wrap it up on the bottom and stick it back in.
I had to pull this clamp up a little bit. Now I'm able to get this clamp off.
There we go. And this one, you just pull this red thing up and push down. I don't know if I already covered that in the video.
And there is one more little bolt right down there. It's like a little extra support for the throttle housing right here. It's right down there. Just gonna do that when it comes out.
Well, there, that wasn't so hard. So now that I have my intake off, I'm able to get to my number 2 cylinder. Now I have to figure out, is it the spark plug? If it's not the spark plug, then it's the coil pack. Or it's damaged wiring, but damaged wiring would only be from like critters or if the vehicle is in a wreck or something like that. Something of that nature. Alright. Okay, push the red tab back that way towards the firewall, and then push down this little tab, and then take a screwdriver in between the housing right there, and then just twist the flathead, and the little pigtail backs right out. There. Don't get your screws mixed up. This one I'm setting over here. That one's for the coil pack. That one is for that weird little bracket underneath the throttle plate housing. This one's for the top of the intake manifold, and these are all the other bolts for the intake manifold. And the coil pack, you just twist, 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 pops out. I mean, I guess if you wanted to change the intake manifold gasket while you're at it, I mean, it's not that hard. You just pull up and put a new one in there. That easy. You gotta have one of these to take it out of there. This is a ratchet. This is a 5/8. Convert that over to metric. 5/8 works, though. This is the longest spark plug I have ever seen in my life. Oh my god. Getting ready to test this and see if it's bad. If this ring's good, then my coil's bad. Here it is all nice and cleaned up. Now I'm gonna ohm it out. Now I'm not gonna show you how to ohm it out because there's a bazillion videos on the web on how to do it. Alright, so I ran from this end to ground over here, and I have a short. So, bad plug. It's like the coil pack. If it is bad, it's highly unlikely because this is a bad component, but I will change out my plugs, put everything back together, and retest. But before I do, I will pull all the plugs, because if this one went bad, odds are the other ones are not far behind it. And coil packs, those do go bad eventually, but they're very, very, very expensive to replace. It's about $100 a pop on average, so it depends on your car and where you live in the world.